So I gotta pull all these tranny pan bolts along here all the way around, pull this pan off, and then we'll get inside of it and I'll show you guys what we got going on in there. This tranny's not working properly because it's not getting good enough pressure, because I think it's got a failed solenoid. So we're gonna check the solenoids out and change them all out, and I'll show you guys that once I get inside of here. I think I'll wait till I get all the bolts out and get the fluid drained out of the pan and get the pan off, and then I'll show you guys what I got going on with it. So stay tuned. Now we're waiting for that to finish draining so that we can pull this pan off all the way. So while we wait for that to drain, I'll start getting me some floor dry, because I got some that's missing a few spots there that's going in. So stay tuned and we'll get this pan off and look up in there and see what we got going on. Alright, so I got this pan off. This solenoid right here, it's loose. This one's tight. This one is just loose as could be. It's probably where we're losing our pressure is out of that one, because it's so loose. So we'll change this one, and I think there's another one up in here I gotta change. We'll get those changed out. Alright, so I got the pan off of this, and it's kind of draining out into a pan and kind of getting all over my floor, making a freaking mess. But so you got these solenoids here. This one here is tight. This one right here, it's super loose. I think the O-ring's gone on it. That's probably where we're losing our pressure from. It's making it not shift properly. So I changed that solenoid. That one, I think I got one up in here too, in the front here. So I'll change all those out and we'll see if that makes this thing shift any better. Alright, so we do a little recap here. Change out these solenoids underneath this thing. You're gonna need a pick like this, and basically the reason you're gonna need that is because, so I'll scoot up under here a little better, show you guys. Okay, so you can see these solenoids here. So after you undo the wires here, I already undone them, and these have already been changed, and these ones are tighter now. The other one was loose, this one was loose. I think it had a bad O-ring on it is what was wrong with it, so it was bypassing. But anyway, so you got these there's little metal tabs right here. I'll pull this one out just to show you guys. I'll put it in. Ow. So they go flying if you're not careful, but you get this little clip right here. It just goes, they just slide right back up in here. You push them in with your thumb like that. That's all you gotta do. Then they're in. But so if you have shifting problems on these S10 Blazers, a lot of the times it'll be these solenoids here, or you've got, there's some back up in here too. See, I changed these two out as well. They're the same style. You gotta pull your filter off to get to it, but they're the same style. You pop the little tabs out. There's one on each side. There's one up here too, right here. So you pull those two out and change those. And I recommend changing your oil and changing your filter and everything. So pan back on there really quick, and then we'll just kind of go from there and see what we're doing. Plus we got oil everywhere. I gotta clean this up. This is bad. There's oil everywhere. ATF. It made a big mess, so I'll get back with you guys as soon as I get this pan on and get this mess cleaned up. Morning everyone. So trying to get this Blazer finished up, but I gotta put some Lucas in it, and the battery's dead, so I gotta get the battery charging this thing. So stay tuned and I'll show you guys this project as we go. Try to see if this Blazer's gonna move after we put some Lucas in it. Tranny's kind of tired, so we'll see what we can do. This is some good stuff, this stop slip stuff. I like it. I'm gonna leave that propped up right there. I'm gonna go get my truck so I can jump start this thing. Alright, we'll see if it'll start. It's running now. I'm gonna hop in it and see if it'll move. Let's see if this thing will even move for us here. Let's see, it's moving, so that's a little better than it was before, I guess. Well, looks like we got it where it'll actually run again, so. Well, it's still not 100% like I'd like it to be, but it's running though, at least, so. Not bad. Temperature staying low. We just did the engine swap into this Blazer not long ago, so just needs a little more loving, I think, and it'll be good to go. So. Okay, we got all the gears. Well, now I guess Colton can come get his Blazer and get her up for sale if he wants to, and it'll be good for him, I guess, to get her gone. So, well, that about wraps up for this video. I appreciate you guys all watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. We can build this channel up, be a lot bigger, do a lot more cool things if we can just make it work out. So.